Boys and girls, it is Fun Friday, May 15th, and we have a Fun Friday activity waiting for us at the end of our schoolwork today. So I had already started this video once and then had to restart it. And so I am going to start by telling you the knock knock joke, but I've already written it down. Knock knock, who's there? Anita. Anita who? Anita, get into the house, let me in. So I wrote, Anita, get into the house, exclamation mark, let me in, exclamation mark. And Anita is the name of a person, but it's also a play on the little phrase, I need to. I need to get into the house, let me in. Anita, get into the house, let me in. All right, so I already did the Sudoku puzzle too, which was a fun one to do, and I think that you can do it on your own. Remember that you are looking for columns up and down, columns go way up high, rows side to side, and boxes. Each one can have the numbers 1 through 4 only one time. I don't want to reveal it to you unless you've already solved it, so I'll show you, but close your eyes if you haven't done it yet. There it is if you need to check your answers, but it's pretty much self-checking because you just need to make sure you have those numbers 1 through 4 in each column, row, and box. But I will skip over that now because you can do it yourself later and it's more fun to solve it yourself. Now we have our morning work. Number 1, ready, go. 298 plus 450 equals something plus 440. So there are some tricky ways to solve this. Not really tricky, but some logical ways to solve this where you could see that 450 is not much different than 440. So you could add 10 to 440 to get 450, and that means you would need to take away 10 from 298 to put right here to have the same answer. So if you can do it that way and you can show that you understand that, go ahead and do it. But I'm going to show you the way we do it for the sure way using place value charts. So the first thing we'll do is we will add 298 plus 450. So we will build both of those numbers with a wavy line, hundreds, tens, ones, 200, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our 298, and here's 450. 1, 2, 3, 400, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens make 50. No ones for that one. So we'll add these. We have 8 right here, and then we need to see if we can bundle any up, and we have 5 here. We'll go grab this one, and that makes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 is 10. Bring it over to the hundreds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 left over, and then we count our hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So we have 748. That's what this equals. But the answer is supposed to be 748 plus 450. And so we can't just leave 748 as the answer there because that would be not equal. 748 plus 440 would not equal 450 plus 298. So the next thing we do is we say this is our answer, and then here is our plus something. So our total we know is 748, and our part is 440, and our other part is this one that we don't know. Minus on the lines, plus in the middle. We circle the numbers we have. We have 748 minus 440. So you will solve that like this with the place value chart. We build 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we subtract the 440. So first our zeros, we don't subtract any, so we have 8. We subtract 4 tens, 4, so we have 0 left over, and then we subtract 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 308. 308 plus 440 is the same as 298 plus 450. I think earlier I said we would take away 10 to make it the same, but that was wrong because we had already taken away 10. We would add 10. All right, on to number 2. Number 2, ready, go. Which two words are a compound word? Remember, a compound word is two separate words put together. So duckling. We have duck as its own word, but ling is not a word. Pancake. Pan is a word, cake is a word, so that works. Rooftop. Roof is a word, top is a word. Rooftop works. Pencil. So pen is a word, but soul is not. And so that doesn't work, that doesn't work. Those are our two words. Number 3, ready, go. If I ate 3 pieces, how much of the pizza did I eat? So the pizza is divided into 4. So you would eat 3/4. You could also write it like this. not 3/3. 3/4. 3/4. Those all show that you ate 3/4. That's another way you could write it. 3/4 of the pizza. All right, number 4, ready, go. How do you start an opinion paragraph? You start it by stating your opinion. It's also really a good idea to introduce the topic. So I wrote an opinion paragraph with Dulce and with Tu yesterday. And we started out with Dulce saying, there are 4 seasons in a year. And then we went on to state her opinion. So you introduce it and then you state your opinion. With Tu, we talked about the best, I think we talked about the best game. And so we said there are lots of games in the world. Tu thinks the best game is in Minecraft. So you don't want to go straight to your opinion. You want to introduce the topic first and then state your opinion. All right, now our song poem of the day. And that has to do with landforms still. And this is a river. You can color that river later. The tune is to Yankee Doodle. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, like that. So a river is a moving stream. The water keeps on flowing. It starts up high and flows too low. The water keeps on going. Rivers flow across the land, leading to an ocean. Growing bigger as they go, the water stays in motion. All right, sing or say that 2 or 3 more times and color your picture.